Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a binder mail pieces, so you make your own little embellishments. And these little bags are what I'm gonna demonstrate putting together for you. I've stamped some little coffee beans, and then we have this cute little focal kind of to imitate the cute little treat bags that you get your croissants in when you buy your coffee. The theme for my binder mail is coffee, if you couldn't already tell. So I've got another cute little bag ready to put together here. All I've done already is just inked the little strip of paper. Excuse my nails, they're terrible. And now we're gonna do the stamping, and then we'll put the washi tape on and add these cute little embellishments. So to stamp on these paper bags, I am using Distress ink in a walnut stain color. And I have this cute little Stampin' Up! Coffee bean stamps. And we're just gonna put them a little bit of everywhere. And then one cool thing you can do is to cover up your little paper, and you can make them look like they are cascading just by simply doing this. So I'm gonna put that one off the paper, these ones off the paper just a little bit. And then we have these cute little clusters. You can kind of fill in wherever it missed if you want. And now we're going to add the washi tape. This is a really cute washi tape. Has little coffee cups. So give it a little go here. We're going to put one on the top and the bottom because it's super cute. And then we will trim any edges. Add this cute little circle. And then for this one, these are just some pieces from the paper collection that I have cut out and laminated. This is also a piece of paper from the paper collection. So we're just going to arrange these how we want. And then we'll glue these down, and they will be ready for a cute little tag inside the bag. And that's all I've got for you today. Stay tuned for future videos on how my binder mail actually turns out once I send it. It's for a challenge for a friend, and hopefully she enjoys it. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and share the channel if you would, and I'll see you next time.